minus space logo design.
Welcome to my channel HL Graphics. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of logo. Take 3 letters.
D.
O. C.
Create outlines. Ungroup. Click Bring to Front to bring O to the top layer. Make the letter O white. Slide the letter D to the right side. Slide the letter C to the left side. Take a rectangle of black color and send it to the layer behind the O. Now group all the letters. Go to Pathfinder, click on Divide. Ungroup. Delete all the white part with Magic Wand tool and again unite all the black part with Magic Wand tool. You can change the color of logo.
Wow.
Your logo is ready. Now take it to Photoshop and create a presentation on top of the t-shirt. You have a great shirt in front of you. I have many more videos on my channel, including logo design and t-shirt design tutorials. You can go and watch them. Thanks for watching.